In the jungle's highest trees, where almost nothing stalks from above, lives a predator so powerful it hunts monkeys mid-air. Meet the harpy eagle, the silent executioner of the Amazon. The harpy eagle isn't just big, it's massive. Standing 1 meter tall with a wingspan over 2 meters, it doesn't look like a bird. It looks like a winged wolf. Females, the larger sex, can weigh up to 9 kilograms. Their talons, bigger than a grizzly bear's claws. Harpy talons grow 13 centimeters long, longer than a lion's canine. They pierce prey instantly, crushing bone like dry wood. A single strike is enough. No screaming, no chase, just silence. In open skies, the eagle would lose. But deep in rainforest corridors, the harpy becomes a ghost. It doesn't soar like a golden eagle. It stalks. It has shorter, broader wings, designed for sudden bursts, not speed. It waits, then drops like a guillotine. Their nests sit higher than most of the forest, 40 to 50 meters above the ground. They are loyal parents. One chick every 2 to 3 years. The chick stays with its parents for a full year. They teach it exactly one thing: how to strike with purpose. Humans fear them because stories travel faster than truth. No, they don't hunt people, but they will defend their nest with the power of a hurricane. Indigenous tribes once believed harpies were spirits, guardians of the canopy. Today, their greatest enemy isn't the jaguar, it's chainsaws. Rainforest deforestation reduces hunting territory. No trees, no nests, no harpy. In Central and South America, populations continue to shrink. When apex predators vanish, the whole forest collapses. The jungle may be brutal, but it is balanced. And one bird keeps the sky sharp: the harpy eagle, the jungle's airborne king. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. This is Beyond Belief. Until next time, stay curious.